Welcome back to our new video friends. Today's topic is how to off large mouse pointer setting in Technophone. Guys, you want to on, so guys you want to off, so guys you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and like my videos. Now let's start video. Open your phone setting guys. Special function, accessibility, scroll it, and as you can see large mouse pointer you want to off, so guys you can off from here. Now it will off. So I hope friends you have understood how to off large mouse pointer setting in Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.